Hi guys, and welcome to Python tutorial for machine learning. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be looking at how to use the NumPy to find the mean, such as the speed of cars. So supposing you declare a variable and say we call that speed, okay, and the speed, these are the speed of all the cars that we have. We have about 18 in there. Now, to then find the average, all we need to do is I'm going to declare another variable that I will call q, and I'm going to say q in this case is going to be equals numpy dot mean. Okay, and then assign the variables speed that contain the different parts. So all we then need to do is let's print out q, and that should give us the average speed. So I'm now going to save that first of all. Let's save it. Okay, save. Now I'm going to run that. Click on run. There we go. That is the average speed for all those cars that the speed are listed here. Okay. See how easy that is. But the main thing is you must install NumPy on your system. So I'll be back with another short tutorial. So I'll see you guys very soon.